So again, good morning, everyone. I'm Brigitte PERRIN, and a lot of you knew me from my previous role as a Chief of Communication at the World Meteorological Organization. Since January, I'm the founder of the Earth Info Hub, and the Earth Info Hub, at the Earth Info Hub, we are working on finding a way to make trusted knowledge on earth science more accessible for the people who need it. It's a pleasure to be with you today. Over the past decades, we've seen it in the previous presentations. Our ability to observe the Earth has expanded dramatically, and that's good. Satellites continuously monitor our atmosphere, oceans, land surface, generating an unprecedented volume of information. So yet collecting more data is no longer our greatest challenge. The challenge today is transforming this data into knowledge, insight, and action. Artificial intelligence is obviously increasingly becoming part of that transformation. So we'll have several speakers today, and we will start with, I will ask you to make a very quick experience. Just close your eyes and imagine you're lying on a beach. And you open your eyes on the beach and you look at the sky, and in the sky there are clouds, beautiful clouds. And you imagine these clouds are shaping in the form of an animal. Imagine which animal. So this is to welcome our first speaker, Johanna Meyer. And so Anna Meyer is, she is a research fellow in the ESA Esrin Science Hub, and she's working on AI-based 3D cloud reconstruction and the detection of recurring cloud patterns. So basically, she can predict which animal you're going to see when you're lying on the beach and imagine an animal. So her research is focusing on understanding the cloud properties and processes, which is still a major source of uncertainty in climate projections. At the ESA Science Hub, she uses observations from the newly launched EarthCare satellite, and she will explain us about that, to study aerosol cloud interactions in the horizontal organization of low-level clouds, so the animals sitting at low levels in the sky. Johanna, the floor is yours.